Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your account. So the only way to regain access to your account is by performing a power wash or factory reset of this device, and you can do this by using the combination of 4 buttons on your keyboard, which are Alt, String, Shift and R buttons. So press these 3 and R buttons at the same time and you will see this window on your screen, and this will and once you click restart, this will begin the factory reset process, which will erase all data from your account that was linked to this from your laptop that was linked to the account that you're using, and then you'll be able to regain access to it by entering your Google password. But still, if you don't have some data backed up, unfortunately it will be erased from your computer. So once you're ready for this operation, just click restart and this will begin the power wash operation. Make sure that your device is plugged into the power source during this operation and just wait for it to restart now. Once it's restarted, you will see this window once again, and right now click power wash, and as you can see, your device will be reset and all the user accounts and local data will be removed from your computer, and this cannot be undone. So once you're ready, just click continue and wait a little while. And right now you just have to wait until the power wash is complete, and then you'll be able to reset your device once again during the usual setup process. Okay, and once then wait until the device is ready. Okay, if you don't have any updates, then you can just click next. If you do have any updates to install, then wait until they are installed, then select who you want to set up this Chromebook for personal use, child, or for work. So let's select personal use. Then let's wait until the device checks for updates once again. And after that, in order to reset your restore your account, select enter your account and password, then click next. And then what you're gonna have to do is enter your email once again, press enter, and then enter your password. And in case you forgot the password to your Google account, then you're gonna have to reset it in your Google account. Maybe use another device for that. This will be the most convenient way. And once you reset your password, enter it into this field and press enter again. Oh, I forgot to mention that there was a forgot password button, so you could actually use your device for this process. I'm sorry. And then just accept and continue and proceed with with the device setup. Now you can set up a new PIN code for your account. Click next, confirm your new PIN code, make sure that you remember it this time, then click done and wait once again. And basically at this point your account is restored. So now you just have to select a preset if you want to. If you don't want to select a preset, you can do this later in settings. Just click skip. Next, then if you want to connect an Android phone, you can do this right now. I'm gonna skip this by clicking no thanks. Then you have 3 more features to set up, but if you don't want to do this right now, if you want to do this later in settings, you can just click skip and then get started. And right now you restored the access to your device. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.